We are Muslim, na? Yes, because of religion.
Kekheti wine shop is situated in Kekheti, the heartland of Georgian wine, located in the eastern part of Georgia. Kekheti is renowned for its ancient winemaking traditions, particularly the use of qvevri, large clay vessels used to ferment and store wine, a method recognized by UNESCO. The shop offers a wide variety of wines, including those made from indigenous Georgian grape varieties such as Saperavi and Arkatsiteli, known for their unique flavors and quality. Kekheti is a popular destination for wine tourism, offering numerous family-run cellars and commercial wineries. Visitors can enjoy wine tastings, tours, and learn about traditional winemaking techniques. The region features beautiful vineyards, historic towns like Sinagi and Tel Aviv, and cultural landmarks. Kekheti is easily accessible from Tbilisi, making it convenient for both day trips and extended visits.
Not because we don't allow to drink. We are Muslim, na? Yes, because of religion.
You asked me about 75, I remember. Yes. So, my dear, this is white dry wine called Kakheti. Type of grape is also Kakheti, and it's grown in West Georgia. It's a rare type of grape, and we are not exporting this one. Do you like it, or do you prefer sweet?
Yeah,
it's dry but light dry.
Yeah, it's good.
Yes, it's dry. So I want to say one thing also. If you like wine from them, you can remember numbers by the numbers, and then I'll show you this shop. It's going to be easier for you. Okay? Now, after this, we have another white wine, which is Set Street. Number 22 is our next wine. That's my favorite job in my childhood. I I think you would like it. Yeah, white
In Georgia, in Pakistan. Happy New Year. Three explore, very, very good.
Visitors can tour wine tunnels, visit ancient monasteries, and explore local markets.